What if I told you the old junk sitting at a thrift store could be transformed into jaw-dropping decor pieces that look straight out of a designer catalogue? Stay tuned because today we're taking on the ultimate thrift flip challenge. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn second-hand finds into stunning home accents. You'll see exactly how a little creativity, the right tools, and some patience can make all the difference. Definition: a thrift flip is the art of taking old, outdated, or discarded items from thrift shops and transforming them into modern, stylish, and functional decor pieces. Why importance? Thrift flipping is important because it saves money, reduces waste, and gives you one-of-a-kind decor that can't be found in big box stores. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and a great way to showcase your creativity. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Choose a thrifted item with good bones. Look for sturdy furniture or unique decor shapes. 2. Clean and prep the item thoroughly before starting. 3. Repair or sand down any rough edges or damages. 4. Apply a fresh coat of paint, stain, or upholstery to match your style. 5. Add finishing touches like handles, stencils, or decorative accents. Tools explained. You'll need basics like sandpaper, paint brushes, spray paint, fabric, glue, and maybe a staple gun for upholstery. These tools are affordable and reusable for multiple projects. Workflow: start with cleaning, gives repair, and sanding gives paint or refinish, gives add decorative details, gives let it dry, gives style it in your space. Quick tips: always test paint colors on a small area first. Don't skip sanding, it ensures smooth results. Mix high-end touches like metallic handles with thrift finds for a looks feel. Cost comparison: buying a new designer accent table might cost over $150, but flipping a thrift store find could be as little as $20 in total. That's a massive saving for something that looks equally high-end. And that's how you turn thrift store junk into jaw-dropping decor. If this inspired you to try your own thrift flip, drop a comment and share your ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next transformation challenge.